Good morning, student. As you know, we are doing chapter 1, that is based on Windows 10 operating system. And we have seen many features also, like better usability, Continuum, Task View, Cortana, MSH, Action Center, Windows Hello. Let me explain once again. Better usability means it can be used anywhere. Continuum means that we can design multiple desktop. Task view is very helpful. There we pin up many application. Cortana is our work like a Google Assistant. MS Edge is a browser which is default with Windows 10. Action Center. Action Center is the area there we receive many notification. Windows Hello. What is a Windows Hello? Windows Hello is a feature. With the help of this, we can make the authentication. Microsoft Edge. This is a look of the Microsoft Edge. Is a browser. Cortana is a virtual assistant. Action Center, notification area. This is all we have done in the previous sessions. Moving app between the desktop, closing the desktop, and tablet mode. Let me remind you about the tablet mode. This is a mode in which we can get keyboard and the mouse on the same screen. And in the session 3, we talked about window media player, ripping from the disk, burning a CD, disk cleanup, and the notepad. What is the meaning of the window media player? This is a player with the help of that we can play either audio or the video. Ripping from the disk, what is the meaning of this? Taking out some data from the CD into the computer. Burning the CD means what? Taking out the data from the computer into the CD. Windows media player, this is what here. How to open it? We have seen. Start all as window media player. Ripping from the disk, this is all we have talked, we have seen. Now, let us come to the session 4. Here I will talk about the control panel. What is a control panel? First, let me show you what is a control panel. Let me take you to my desktop. I will show you what is a control panel is. For opening my control panel, let me click on the start button. As I will click on the start button, you have to search for the control panel. For the control panel, just look at here. Either you can write it here control panel or you will get it here. Understood? Control panel. As you will click, you will get different categories of the icons. If I want to change any feature in the mouse, I can click on mouse. If I want to make something in the keyboard, I can do it in the keyboard. If I want to change any system changes, that I can do it here. So this is called my control panel. Let me take back to you my presentation here. So what is a control panel? Control panel contain the number of category. It helps us to manage different resources and function of the computer system. Just now we have seen. Now today we will see how to change the date and time. Again I will take back to the control panel. Here my control panel is open and I want to change my date and time. For changing the date and time, you can see here. I will click it here on the date and time. It will take little time. Open. It is opening. Just wait for some time. Have a patience. Surely you will going to get the things. See, it has been open here. You have to keep the patience whenever you are working, because this is electronic. Sometimes it takes for opening a particular operations, right? So this is this dialog being open. If you want to change the date and time, you can change here. This is the time zone, you know it. We have divided the whole world in some zones that you have done in SST also. Fine. Let me close this. Again, we will come back to our presentation. This is what I have written in the step. Open the control panel, click the date and start option, click on change and date and time button, click on OK button. This is what we have seen. Now font. If you want to make any changes in the font, again what you have to do it? Again you have to go back to the control panel. Let me click on start button. You got the control panel here? So select for the font. Yes, got it. Just double click on the font. Now it is open very quickly. Whatever the font you want to set, you have to click it. That font will be selected and it can be set it. Fine. Let me come out from here because I don't want all these things. I came back here. So this is a step I have written here for the font, that open the controller, select the font option. Now configuring the mouse. If I have to configure the mouse, I have these four functions that I can do it. That is, I can change the type, I can change the speed of the mouse, I can double click the speed, and pointer trails. Now you will ask, what is the meaning of pointer trail? Can you see on my mouse? You can see so many mouses coming out. This is called trail. एक पूंछ जिसे हम बोल सकते हैं हिंदी में. So this is called mouse trails. Let me again take back to you there. For this you have to click on the control panel. The control panel is being open here. Now what I said, you have to do the changes in the mouse setting. Click on the mouse. Again it is taking some time. You have to keep patience. Again I am telling you, don't get panic that why it is not opening. After all, this is a electronic. Yeah, being open. Just always keep an eye on the taskbar. Here you can see, everyone can see this. Some buttons are there right now. Button, this has been open, then pointers, then pointer options, then wheel, then hardware. First I will click on this first one, button. With the help of this, if someone want to make a changes, if some person is left-handed, he want to make right hand button as a left and left hand button want to make it as a right hand button. That is the changes he can do it by using this button. Now what is a pointer? If you want to make a changes here, with the help of this you can do the you can set the pointers. Now pointer options, these are the pointer options, these are the visibilities, whatever the way you want to. This is the thing which I have set it here long. If I will just remove it off, that trail will not come. If I will set this, the trail will come. Just look at here. Fine. Okay. And wheel, how much time you want to roll it, and what is the hardware, what type of the mouse you have. Let me apply and come out. So this is the setting of my mouse. Let us come back to the presentation we have here. So we have configured the mouse. This is what I have written. Now power options. We have two type of power modes, that is sleep mode and the hibernation mode. What is the difference between these two modes? Sleep mode, in the sleep mode the monitor and the hard disk are turned off. But in the hibernation mode, the monitor and hard disk will be turned off only after saving the data in the hard disk. Let us go back. Let me open the this start button. Fine. Here I will select my which button, whatever the button I want to select. I can click. Either I can click on sleep, hibernate, restart, lock, log off, switch user. If I will click on the sleep button, what is going to happen? My computer gets sleep. If I will click on the hibernate, my computer will get hibernate. This is what you can do it. So that's all for today. Do practice. whatever the activities I just practiced here. Thank you.